Buongiorno guys, hope you're doing well. I've decided to start this video kind of vlog in a different way, showing you the wonderful Italian countryside. Got something exciting to tell you. So for the next 5 weeks I'll be working from Italy, from my hometown in the north. I've decided to do this kind of vlog for the first time. I know it's not my usual format, but I really want to show you how it looks like to work from Italy. Yeah, it's really exciting that my company allowed me to work from different countries. As you probably know, I usually work from England, from Brighton. That's where I live with my partner, and it's also where my office is. But now the work is becoming more and more remote. They gave me the opportunity to come back, visit my family, and work from my little village in Italy. Okay, now I'm gonna finish this run, and then I'll see you at home. Welcome back from our run. So today is Tuesday, and the reason why I start this vlog on a Tuesday morning is because yesterday I was super busy finishing my website that I launched in the evening, I think around 10 p.m. But yeah, I'm super excited about this website because it's the first one that I design and build with Webflow, and I'm super excited to share with you the process. But before we dive into technical details, I kind of want to talk about the reason why I decided to start to have this website before. So basically, the reason is because last year my only side project was freelance work, and I already have a freelance website that my friend built in WordPress. But this year, because I've started to do more things like YouTube videos, talks, or sometimes I'm the guest of some podcast. I also do some mentoring as well. But yeah, I never have a proper website or a place where I can collect all these things. And so I decided to have this website. I decided to go live with MLP, which stands for Minimal Lovable Product. The reason is because I wanted to get something done and then eventually working on it. Yeah, I think I'm planning to expand this website to include, I don't know, maybe like resources, like books I read, or maybe I can sell some products. I just don't know yet. It's 9 in Italy, so I should probably start working. Yesterday I had the most productive morning ever because I usually have stand-ups at work between 9 to 10, but because Italy is 1 hour ahead of England, I can start working before my team. So yeah, alright, so now I'm gonna do some work, but later I'm gonna share with you my website. So yeah, see you there. Okay, so I am on my lunch break, and I'm gonna take advantage of this time to show you my website. So yeah, let's have a look at it together. Okay, so this is a little desk tour. There's not much to show actually, apart two really nice books that I need to read. This one, and I finished this, I think it was yesterday, and this is a fancy lamp. It is, yeah, it's super cool. So let's go to the website. So as you can see, here is how it looks on a desktop device. So we got a hero section with a little description about myself and an image. All these different parts are individual images, individual vectors. They're not just one single image. here I talk about like what I do from like I'm a designer and what kind of designer I am. While here is a section that promotes my videos on YouTube, and it overlap with the final CTA, I will say. I don't know. It's just basically the whole idea is that you just read the main like the titles, like I'm Sarah and I'm a designer who loves making videos and helping people achieve their digital dreams. So I prepare this one. This is how it looks on a tablet device. I'm very happy, very pleased that it works, because I haven't checked before I put it live. But yeah, still maybe there are some things like this button is too close to this element that maybe is not ideal, but it kind of does his job. There is some weird stuff here actually that I need to check. Yeah, this doesn't look right. And this is from from a mobile device. I checked this several times and it works. Then got our same one, and if we click on this we can see the drop down menu with the portfolio part. Okay, let's start from the design. I did the design in Figma, which is the prototyping tool I prefer. And now let's have a look together at my first ideas. So this is they're just simple like wireframes. And after the wireframe, I moved straight into the design. This is how the website looked like only a few days ago. So I kept the structure, but I changed the visuals and the style a lot. This is what I started to build. So yeah, the color palette is different, pictures is different, and also the style. I started to use this font, which Abril Fat Face, which is I love it, but I think I've just got sick of it. I don't know why. It's just you know, when it's like too much, you keep looking at something and you just get sick of it. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But yeah, my first idea was to use this like Tiffany color, which is the one that I'm currently using on my freelance website. But then again, things changed a bit. I didn't really like this shape, because when I exported in Webflow, it kind of didn't work very well on mobile. And you know, people say mobile, you should think mobile first, but I didn't do this time, and yeah, this is the consequence. So yeah, I had to rethink about the layout again because it was just dreadful on mobile. So yeah, this is what happened. And now this was another idea, and yeah, again, I like the idea of I started to introduce some like shapes and different colors, and eventually I developed this layout. I'll be honest with you, I spent the whole day working on the previous version, the one I showed you, but I don't know, I just, when I went to bed, I felt like, oh, I hate it, it's not who I am, it doesn't reflect who I am, and I kind of like wanted to start everything again, but then I thought, oh, don't be silly. It would be like just such a waste of time. But yeah, I woke up in the morning, Monday morning around 6, and I was still thinking about this website. So I had a few ideas before I went to bed that I wanted to try, and yeah, this is the result. Now I can finally say I am happy with it, but yeah, I've been struggling a lot for this website. And was the time worth? Probably it was, yeah, I will say so. Right, so I've just finished with the last meeting for the day. Today it was a very intense day, but in a positive way, because I've got a few new projects coming up, which I'm super excited about, and I had very interesting conversations with other teams. So yeah, it was good. I should probably take my AirPods off because I don't need them anymore. It's 6 p.m. and it's probably time to just chill out. But before, I promise you that I wanted to talk about procrastination, because during like my website process, I waste a lot of time worrying about details, or just keep changing ideas rather than maybe like stick to one idea and iterate. I was just like, I want to do this, and the day after I wanted to do something completely different. I designed and built the whole website in 2 hours. I think like I designed in 2 hours in the morning before work, and I built in 2 hours on Monday, while I spent 3 days from Friday to Sunday just like building something that I decided to change completely. I actually couldn't sleep the last night because I kept thinking about this website. Oh, I don't like it. I want to change it completely. It's awful. I kind of want to share with you my process and see if maybe it's similar to yours. But basically, every time I start like a personal project, I go through 3 different steps. So I get excited about something and I can't stop thinking or working on it. And the second one is, I think is crap. I want to change it completely because I see something better, and also because I keep looking at it and I get sick of it. And just like, I had enough. I need to just like be completely different. The third one is when I accept things as they are. I think, well, you know what, it's not perfect, but I still have time to iterate and change it eventually. But it's better if I push something live, see what people think about it. And this is kind of what I usually go through. And yeah, I would like to know if it's similar to what you do for your personal projects, and I will also be curious to know how you built your website, if you have one, or if you want to build one in Webflow. Just remember to learn from my experience. Just don't start building it until you have the full design, because this is the mistake I made with Webflow. So basically, I designed something in Figma, and then I changed it completely in Webflow, and I started to design it in Webflow, which is just like wrong. So yeah, the result was that I waste 3 days thinking about what to do and building something that I completely changed on Monday. I got like an hour before dinner, so I might start reading my book. I got this book, Playing Bigger, which is about like a leader, a woman leader. I'm really excited about this book. The other day I finished The Courage to Be Disliked, which I highly recommend. I also took some notes. I might go for a little bike ride with my mom later, but yeah, we will see. Anyway, have a nice evening or morning or whatever, and I'll see you tomorrow. Morning, my friends. It's Wednesday morning. I just came back from my run. This morning I want to start wireframing the about section of my website before logging to work. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do this. So I'm using an app called Concept for iPad. So this is what I have already done for the homepage and the portfolio section, and now we're gonna do the about. Oh, it's such a nice day today. I'm gonna do some work outside. Do you wanna come with me? Woo! So it's 5:30, I just finished work and it's now book time. Such a nice day today. Before I end this vlog, I would like to know in the comments if you like this kind of format, and I'm sorry if I was blathering too much, but I don't know, sometimes I can't help myself. So I just ask you one thing: if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do, because it really helps to support me, and it also encouraged me to make more videos. Just have a nice evening, morning, or whatever, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay then, ciao!